Oh, damn it. Oh, yeah. Whew. Oh. Oh, shit. Damn it. First time I've done that. I think I've seen a ton of videos on how to lift it. Jesus.
All right. So it can't be up here very long. Look at that view, by the way. That's the Coronado Bridge, downtown San Diego. So I wanted to go over the adjusting of the shocks. You do have to adjust them. Well, maybe you're lucky and you don't have to adjust them right out of the box. But I did have to adjust them. And if you notice here, or if you notice earlier in the video, I was using my spanner to rotate that. What I did is I got it all the way up to the top because the top is the shortest reach. And if you have more threads exposed, it's longer. So I made it the shortest it could be, and then I adjusted from there. That way I know that both of them matched. So I counted turns counterclockwise to make sure that it was both the same. So you want to make the distance between there about 11 and a half. You want it to be 11 and 1/8 while you're sitting on it. So you could do this. So for example, it's talking about the middle of the bolt. So you want to disregard the first ½ inch. If you look at that, I'm at about 12. So yeah, you know, if I go halfway, I'm 11 and a half. So right there is about a perfect spot. There is another adjustment here. If you go to the right all the way, it's going to be pretty stiff. Another thing I did when I first started adjusting is I turned this all the way to the right, and I turned the other one all the way to the right. And I noticed that was actually pretty stiff. It was kind of basically the same as the stock shocks. So I went the opposite direction, 28 clicks, tried it out, way too bouncy. So I went up 8 clicks from all the way from the left on both sides, and that seemed to be the sweet spot. I like that a lot. I'm going to ride around and I'm going to kind of give my thoughts on how it feels compared to the stock shocks. Shoo, where does this go? Oh, I don't even know where this goes. Hopefully it's not too crazy. Oh, hello. Oh, that's not too bad. Wow. Off-roading, I guess. These shocks are so much better than the stock shocks. Now that I have it finely tuned, it like really absorbs all of the bumps. Like, it's not to the point where you can go over a bump and not notice. Like, you still notice, but you're not bottoming out. With the stock shocks, any little bump, you'd bottom out, and it's just, you know. I mean, if you own a Scout already, you know what I'm talking about. This just kind of loosens it up a little bit. I have been taking the same roads that I take to work, and I've been intentionally hitting all the stuff that I normally avoid. And honestly, like, with this, it doesn't even bother me that I'm hitting those anymore. Before, I used to avoid them like the plague because I would bottom out and just get my ass kicked with that. Oh shit, I thought they were gone. Nice fast turn. So look at this crap. Like, this is all bumpy right here. Look at it. Like, I'm not bottoming out. It's still shaky, but I'm not bottoming out, you know? It's the rebound is very, very smooth. So do I recommend these? Absolutely. Do I recommend anything else? Probably. I think anything different from the stock shocks are going to be good. But I wanted to get these because the piggyback shocks that Indian Motorcycle offers, I don't think I can have my messenger bag with that, so I didn't want that to get in the way, or I didn't want to have to get rid of my messenger bag. So I got these. They're a little bit more expensive. And I also did try the piggyback shocks in Sturgis on a loader bike that Lenore had, another fellow motorcycle ambassador, Indian Motorcycle ambassador. And I didn't really see too much of a difference. Maybe I didn't ride it long enough. Maybe they weren't adjusted properly. But with these adjusted properly, you're going to see so much of a difference. It's going to be totally worth it. And I do recommend it 100%. They have other stuff. You can do Legend suspension. You can do, I don't know. I can't think of any other ones right now. But I'm pretty sure any of those are going to be better than better than the stock shocks. So I will be taking these shocks along with the Indian Scout Bobber to to Sturgis from San Diego. If you're new here, consider subscribing. See how that ride goes. It's going to be 3 days on the road, 2 days in Sturgis, and then 3 days on the road back. I do have a couple of comfort upgrades on here that are making it better, including the Foxtrots. I also have the Syndicate seat and some handlebars, which I don't have to kind of hunch over. I'm heading into Tent City. I didn't realize it. Yeah, San Diego has a huge homeless problem. Like, one area will be super nice, and the next area you got a bunch of tents. Apparently they spent about $17.5 billion on the homeless situation last year. However, this homeless situation actually got worse because housing here is so expensive. We actually just turned to be the third most expensive city for rent in the U.S. I think it's San Jose and New York are actually more expensive than San Diego. We just beat out San Francisco. Yay, us. But yeah, I don't know. That's neither here nor there. Just a little bonus information, I guess. What? And look, now we're back into like a nice neighborhood, literally half a block away. Oh, let me show you guys this house. This house is freaking sick. I mean, there's a sick ass house right there. It's like, this is Golden Hill. They have a lot of Victorian homes here from like the 1800s and whatnot. But this one right here is one of my favorites. It's actually a museum now. They have like they have sightseeing tours here in San Diego, and this is one of the stops for like the haunted tour. I took a picture of my bike a while ago at this place, but look how sick that is. They keep it up like they're, because it's like historical, whatever. But check that shit out. Pretty dope, huh? Via Montezuma Museum, built in 1887. Freaking cool. All right, that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. I have been Ricky Baba. Catch you on the next one. Later.